How to save a Word document to your desktop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device and open the document you want to save. After you've opened the document, click on the file at the top left corner of your screen. After you've selected Files, on the left side, click on Save As. After you've selected Save As, here select the folder where you want your document to be saved. I'm simply clicking on Browse. Here, add your file name. After you've added your file name, press on Save. After you press on Save, the document will be saved in the folder you chose. And this is how to save a Word document to your desktop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.